The Trinity Health Foundation wrapped up its nearly 5 years long capital campaign today, which raised over $15 million. The hospital put the money toward its new healthcare campus and medical district. Some of the projects included building a children's therapeutic play area, a new sexual assault exam room, and a chapel. They were also able to buy new equipment such as dialysis machines.
It clearly says that this community is aware of who Trinity Health is, and they're excited about who we are and how we are going about preparing our organization to meet their healthcare needs.
Back when we started in 1922, 100 years ago with the new facility, we had people at that time that were making contributions as well, and we found documentation of that they committed $10 and they were paying on installments, and so it's really compelling to see that commitment to our community healthcare.
Coach says the campaign received thousands of donations.